All right.
One night only, baby.
We are here
Boys in Vegas.
We are here in Vegas. Dean is here in Vegas.
Let's go.
Ripper Boys are back in town. One night only, Vegas special.
One night only.
Coming at you.
Hey.
Hey. Wow, a view of the strip. Interesting. Wow, mind blowing. Alright, so we came from this way. We got the casino right here. I haven't been to the Vegas airport in a while, but that's right. Oh yeah, we totally walked in this last time. I think we thought the show.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Not really immediately.
If we exited the other way, it would have been.
Yeah, that's true. On holiday. I got part of it. Part of my time. I was like, no.
Oh, the new sunglasses already.
I thought they went off the edge for a second. Oh, great.
The first scar already. All right, where are we, Dean?
We're at Cabo Wabo, baby.
Cabo Wabo, baby.
Rock and roll.
We got some food here.
This is the Ripper's table.
It's the Ripper's table, the VIP section right here. The great view. Caesar's Palace right there. The Bellagio. That's where, in The Hangover, they found him on the roof up there. Here's my big sandwich. I gotta figure out how to eat this. Good times. Salt first.
What?
Salt first. Salt first.
Usually lime first. I just do tequila.
But you say no, it's hit the salt, take the something home. Am I teaching you how to do it?
No, you're wrong, bro. We'll do it.
It's not wrong at all.
One night only.
Where?
It's actually damn good. That's really good.
Start power, start power.
That's why the lime, that's what the suck on that afterwards. So many people do lime first. I don't even use salt for tequila shots, really. I just need the lime.
See how you feeling here live in Vegas?
Doing fantastic, man.
How does it smell?
It smells like weed and poop everywhere.
She used to call me on my cell on her video. Well, she also got in my video.
I know he like went right in front of her.
I know.
Maybe a dick move.
Did you put a 5 in? Oh, look at you. See, same thing's happening. Right as you go, it's gonna give us something good. Yeah. Oh, here, I won something. Oh, I won 15 cents, boy. 20 cents. I don't like this game. Even, give me even, give me even. Yes. Woo. Come on.
32. Right even.
Yeah. $45 now. All right. Is it another 0?
Yeah.
Let's do red and odds. It's not gonna work. But you know, never tell me the odds.
Oh my god.
Is it another 0?
Yes. We've gotten the 2.
Oh
the
my
3,
god.
and
It's been the double
I think-
0,
I think
triple
that
0, and then
happened.
the... Yeah, yeah. Honestly, I think it was like that spot right there. Oh, actually, I know where it was. Yeah, I know where we are.
Thank you.
And third, brought the kids with us. Smile!
Terrible hat.
That's not terrible. That's cool. Love it if we made it.
Well, let's go through. Do it there.
Let's do it.
Hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right.
We changed outfits for the evening and we're just hanging out in the casino. Get some drinks, hanging out, losing money. Machines.
They are lucky proof.
Agreed. How much you got there?
Fucking $3. Went for 25. What if I got 3?
All because of her. You would what? Put a leash on the kid?
Absolutely.
Jesus Christ, he ain't never let me down, nah. Jesus Christ, he ain't never let you down, nah.
A lot of much more rich and beautiful men. That's pretty cool, honestly. Fremont experience.
The Fremont experience.
We're gonna experience something.
We're gonna experience something. We see some lights happening. Don't know how much time has passed. I'm gonna feel that forever. No one ever tells me. Sitting all alone inside your head.
What up? Kevy Fresh coming at you live, Vegas 2021. Save 20% of all your checks, kids.
Wrapping our night up here. I guess I can use my key. Oh, all right. Oh, here, hold the gun.
You didn't open it.
It's green.
Look at what this says.
Ah, oh, it even vibrated. How cool.
Exactly.
Yeah.